Are you tired of feeling anxious about your finances? Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we show you the smart way to make money with mutual funds. Hi, I'm here to help you navigate the world of mutual funds. You don't need to be a financial wizard to make smart investment choices. With the right guidance, you can build a profitable portfolio that will give you the financial freedom you've always wanted. Mutual funds are a great way to invest your money. They offer diversification, professional management, and a wide range of investment options. But with so many choices, it can be overwhelming to decide which funds to choose. That's where we come in. We'll guide you through the process of selecting the right mutual funds for your investment goals. We'll show you how to analyze funds, read performance reports, and understand fees and expenses. But that's not all. We'll also teach you how to monitor your mutual funds and adjust your portfolio as your goals and circumstances change. And we'll keep you up to date on the latest trends and developments in the world of mutual funds. With our help, you can make your money work for you and achieve the financial security and freedom you deserve. So why wait? Subscribe to our channel now and start your journey towards smart, profitable investing today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.